Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play quiz on your Telegram application. Okay, let's get into it guys. To play a quiz on Telegram, you need to join this bot, this quiz master bot. And to find this bot, you can go to the search menu on Telegram. And then you're going to search for quiz master bot. Okay. And you can filter the search bar to the app, so you will be able to find the Quizmaster bot easily. Okay, this one guys, you can open up this bot, and then here you will get the quiz from the bot. For example, like this quiz, you'll get question and then you can answer it. Okay, I'm going to go to the menu and I'm going to click on start the quiz. Okay guys, and this is for the quiz and you need to answer it. And if you want to stop the quiz, you just need to type in stop like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to play a quiz on Telegram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.